If you've ever needed to collect responses, run surveys, or create quizzes, Google Forms is one of the easiest tools to use. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to make, title, and save a Google Form in Google Drive, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google account. Once inside, you'll see the option to start fresh with a blank form by clicking the plus blank button, or you can choose a ready-made template from the gallery if you want to save time. Next, let's give your form a proper title and description. At the top, you'll see Untitled Form. Simply click and replace that text with a clear descriptive title. Just below it, there's space to add a description or short instructions, which can help your respondents understand the purpose of the form. Now it's time to add questions. On the right-hand side, click the plus icon to insert a new question. You can change the type of question, like multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes, using the drop-down menu. If you'd like to personalize your form, click the paint palette icon at the top to adjust the theme colors, font styles, or even upload a header image. For additional settings, such as collecting email addresses or limiting responses, click the gear icon. Finally, let's talk about saving your form. The best part about Google Forms is that you don't have to do anything. Your form automatically saves in real time to your Google Drive. You'll notice a small saving macho message at the top, which changes to all changes saved in Drive. That's your confirmation that your work is safe. And that's it. You've successfully created, titled, and saved a Google form in Google Drive. Now you can share it with anyone and start collecting responses instantly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to put it into practice and try creating your first form today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.